Hello and welcome guys to a rainy Sunday here in my country, and I managed to get to flea market, and I picked up two phones. First one is this Siemens SL55, and you can see that phone is wet and it was on a heavy rain. That's the reason I removed the battery on the second I bought it. And the second phone is this D600, and also I removed the battery, and you can see it is still wet here because these phones were both on sale on a heavy rain, and I paid around €3 for both of the phones. And what I like to do now with them is to disassemble them and let them dry, and in the end test if they work or maybe don't work. So let's start with SL55, and we'll start with those 4 T5 Torx 5 screws. Okay, and the 4 screws that are here, and 2 of these that are hidden here are T4s. So I had to pick up a different screwdriver. So I have low hopes that this SL55 will work. You can see a water damage, or I believe a Coca-Cola damage here. So that's probably a non-working phone, but we will see. So this is now fully disassembled SL55, and let's continue now with D6. Okay, you can see even water here. I will leave all that so we can dry. You can see this is D600, and the thing is that this doesn't have any main numbers or anything, so I also don't know the condition of this phone. So let's start with this. So I think I will stop with disassembling this D600 here, because I'm not sure how to disassemble this part, and I don't want to damage a phone. I did manage to open these 2 screws, but I believe there are some screws hidden around here, and I think I will just break this sliding mechanism if I try to disassemble it further. So yes, that's all for disassembly. I will now all leave here for a quick dry, and I will try to clean it, these boards, with an alcohol, and let's see if we can manage to save any of these 2 phones and power them on in the end. So this is now SL55 done, and I know that it looks even worse because of these keys, but the phone is just too old, so all of these keys fall off and definitely needs this new part, and in the end a new housing, but at least the phone is now cleaned and dry, and I will hook it to a charger and see if it will power on, and I will continue with assembly and cleaning of the 6100, and fortunately that the 6100 is not that dirty, so I will be done easily and more quickly than this little guy. So now that's D600 assembled, and let's just try to power it on, and unfortunately nothing happens. And the thing is that I don't happen to have a charger for this type of Samsung phones, so until further I won't be able to test it. But inside overall condition is very good, so I believe that this phone will work as soon as I charge it. And you can see just here how much dirt those two phones, mostly this one, generated while cleaning. And unfortunately this little fella doesn't power on. But let me just test with one known good battery that I have. And of course it works. So let me just pop in a button. Okay, it's already off. Okay. So probably just a dead battery. Let me see if I can, or maybe it's faulty because it is turning off constantly, or just the battery is damaged. But let me just see menu. Okay. I will leave it on a charge for a few hours and test it after that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you these two phones that I purchased, and I'm happy to have them. And I will most likely keep this Samsung D600 because I don't have it in my collection. I have the D500, but not the 600. So yeah, that's all from this video, and thank you for watching.